Find the sum of 4 added to 3x plus 2 added to x. Let's write the expression. So we have 4 plus 3x, and we're going to add 2 plus x. Let's use the commutative property to rearrange this expression, putting like terms next to one another. So I would have 3x plus x plus 4 plus 2. Combining like terms, I can add 3x to x to get 4x, and I can add 4 plus 2 to get 6. Example 2, find the sum of 7x squared minus x plus 5 added to the sum of 6x plus 12. So I'm going to write my expression down. 7x squared minus x plus 15, and add that to 6x plus 12. Using the commutative property, I'm going to rearrange this expression, putting like terms next to one another. So I have 7x squared minus x plus 6x plus 15 plus 12. Combining like terms, I have 7x squared. I don't see that I have another x squared in the expression, so I'm done with that term. Now I have a negative x plus 6x. That gives me plus a positive 5x. And then adding 15 to 12 is 27. So my final expression is 7x squared plus 5x plus 27. Example 3. Find the difference of x to the 5th power added to 8 less the sum of 3x to the 5th plus 5x. So let's write the expression. X to the 5th plus 8, subtracting the sum of 3x to the 5th and 5x. Now, I like to take a look at this problem when I'm subtracting a polynomial from a polynomial. I like to make this, instead of a negative, I make this a positive, and I make it a -1 that I'm multiplying to that polynomial. So let's go ahead and distribute that polynomial of a -1. So I'm going to rewrite this expression. I'd have x to the 5th plus 8, and I'm going to distribute this -1 to my 3x to the 5th, so I'd have minus 3x to the 5th. I'm going to distribute the -1 to the 5x, so I have minus 5x. Now let's go ahead and use a commutative property to rearrange this expression in descending order for the exponents. So I would have x to the 5th, putting a like term next to it of 3x to the 5th, minus 5x, and then plus 8. Combining like terms, I have a -2x to the 5th. That's combining x to the 5th minus 3x to the 5th. Then I have minus 5x plus 8. So my final expression, written in standard form, is a -2x to the 5th minus 5x plus 8.